Senior .NET devs, you ever open a code base on Monday and immediately hated the person who wrote it? Then you realized it was you? Here's your you already know this reminder for senior .NET devs. Every shortcut you take today is a bill that you hand to future you. That skip test, that hard-coded value that should have been in a config file, the "I'll clean this up later" comment from 2023, future you is paying for all of it, and future you is not happy about it. When I started my career, I caught myself doing this constantly. A quick fix here, skip some abstraction there. I already know what this does, so I don't need to document it. But 5 months later, I'm staring at my own code like it was written by a stranger. And that's when it clicked. The best investment isn't just the next feature. It's actually making the code you already have easy for future you to work with. And now with AI agents writing code on your behalf, the stakes just went up. Future you isn't just cleaning up after past you anymore. Future you is now maintaining code you didn't even write and barely reviewed. So if you're not reviewing it, naming things clearly and leaving context behind, then future you is walking into a minefield blind. The AI agents aren't going to get fired for the mess. You are. So here's your one question. Look at the code you wrote or accepted today. If you had to pick it up 5 months from now, would you thank yourself or would you want to punch your past self in the throat? If the answer is a throat punch, then pick one thing, one test, one renamed variable or method, one documented decision, and fix it before you step away from your machine today. Well, today is Saturday, Valentine's Day, so give your future self a Valentine. Write the test, name the thing, document the why. Future you deserves better than a to-do comment. I'm Chad Carter, helping .NET teams ship production apps faster. You already know what you're doing, so now go and ship it. And hey, if this helped, you know the drill. Plus, you may want to go ahead and share this with a dev that you like. And I'll see you in the next video.